Hi, Fitness Center students, it's Meg. I wanted to update you that the Fitness Center will not be able to open this fall semester. I know originally planned, we had hoped to be able to open on October 5th. However, Maricopa Community College District has decided that all fitness centers will remain closed through the fall semester. So what does that mean for our class? It means that we're going to continue to do things exactly the same way that we have been doing them for the past several weeks. So you still have all of the wonderful online opportunities that GCC has to offer, whether it be the GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel. I know many of you have used that and are really enjoying that. Remember, there are over 230 videos posted on the GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel, so you have plenty to choose from, and there's something for everyone. Also, remember, we do have those live virtual courses, the Fitness Center classes that are offered, and I will make sure to post that in the announcement as well. So that you have the link to that so that you can attend those classes if you're interested in doing some group fitness classes. I know those of you who've attended already have had wonderful things to say about that and have really enjoyed that. So if that works into your schedule, great. And then continue to take advantage of these cooler mornings and evenings with hikes outside and bike rides. Many of you have been trying new things, and I really encourage you to continue to do so. So even though the fitness center will not be able to open this fall semester, I am here to help you on your fitness center journey, your fitness journey. And if you have any questions or need any help, always send me a message in the inbox. I am happy to help you, whether it be give you some new ideas for exercises or just if you have any health and fitness related questions, please feel free to reach out to me. So great job with your class so far. Keep trucking along, and remember, 48 hours is the goal, so keep working towards getting those 48 hours.